So I'm gonna take y'all with us today. I'm finna get my hair together. I'm finna draw my eyebrows on. Cause y'all know I ain't got none. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all with us today. Okay, I'll be right back.
Oh, yeah. Where is this? Oh, there is. There's a job sale.
Okay, so I have to get more supplies for my tea. So we're headed here now. I ran out like 2 days ago. So I'm probably gonna incorporate a different type of herbs this time around. So I got peppermint, echinacea herb, slippery elm, more mullein, even though I got the tincture for this, but still. Ashwagandha, some burdock, ginger roots, elderberries, and I think this is pronounced sarsaparilla or sarsaparilla. 2 L's, but still. And for this, I got the Jamaican instead of the Mexican. But I'm gonna try this one next time because it looked like it's gonna give more payoff, the deeper color than what this is. I'm gonna try this next time because this is actually way more expensive. So I also need to get more items for my skincare. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna lie, I've been holding off on getting this done. So I don't know if this is new. It's probably not. But I wanna try this one, the Calming Oat Base. To help with my skin barrier. I want to try this one instead because normally what I get is the regular one. Alright, when I tell y'all this tastes so good, and the thing about it is with the tacos, especially the ones with the cauliflower, they are a little spicy, but with this lime, oh my god, it tastes so good. The sesame fries are really good too. I got 2 orders of those because he liked the fries as well. But here are the tacos. Hold on, let me show y'all. Okay, so on here we have cauliflower with that nice ass sauce. It comes with avocado. I already ate avocado. And I think these are pickled onions. It's so delicious. We also got the sesame fries, which are also really good. But y'all, if you do come, try these, because the cauliflower is really spicy. It's not really spicy. It has like a little kick to it. But when you wash it down with this homemade lime drink, oh my God, it's like perfect. And I'm the type of person, I like the best of both worlds. So like sweet and spicy, or like sweet and savory, or you know, like that. The contrast on the palate. You get what I'm saying, but that's what I like. Now with this taco, the tofu one, I taste some sesame in there. It just has the tofu with the lettuce mix. Thank you.
I really like this plaza because they have a greenery section with lounge chairs, Connect Four, and hula hoops, and also like a little section for kids as well. There's also like a little waterfall, and if you look straight ahead towards the right of the screen, there are picnic tables.
Now we are currently waiting to get to our next destination. Honey, this sun is gorgeous today. It's been a little cloudy the past couple of days, but shit, I was still feeling the cloudy days too, because of the way the clouds looked. I'm trying to figure out what type of clouds they were. Matter of fact, I might even insert a picture so y'all can see it, because there was some nice clouds. They were really pretty. But yeah, I don't know why, but I'm in like a celebratory mood, honey. It is a celebration for me right now. I'm not sure why, but I feel like right now it's something for me to celebrate, and nobody's gonna be able to ruin that for me. You know what I'm saying? It kind of smelled like piss at this bus stop, but nobody's gonna be able to ruin that for me. And there's that on that. But I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all a little bit when we get to our next destination, or probably a little bit more after that.
So next we went to Sevananda. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but there's the name right there on the screen on the buggy. I love their produce section. I don't know if I told y'all this. No, I don't think it's in one of my YouTube videos. It's probably not, but I love muscadines. And I went ahead and got him some grapes as well. So y'all remember the beers that I had showed y'all in the other grocery run I went to at a farmer's market? They have another brand in this store as well that is cool. This is what I almost fell out for, okay? Not they have the vegan mac and cheese and the vegan collard greens. First of all, I love this brand already. Haven't even tried it, okay? But I'm going to, because what? And y'all know we love seaweed. This is the first time I had ever seen like a white cheddar seaweed. I'm not sure if it is. It's probably like the second time, and I probably just forgot about it. But this is the hot bar area. And here's the menu of everything that they had. I'm not filming him. And then in like their ready to go meals, there is a whole side where everything is vegan, y'all. They have like pastas, kale, asparagus. They have like different sandwiches. You can see here they have some pastas. They even have the vegan shrimp, the large ones, okay? They even got those. But they got like fried rice. There we go with some more collards. We have here I'm gonna call it hamburger helper. That's what I see it as. It looked like hamburger helper to me. But yeah, and then the other side is going to be foods that incorporate meat. And if you're looking for like a nice, healthy, sweet treat, they do have like different little bars over here. And they also have like the brand that carries the like the gummy sweet candy. But that the candy that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it. You will see it's gonna be towards the end. I'll show it. And it's like 3 different types of gummies. I've had these before. It's actually really good. Then I saw these. These look really good. And I wish, oh my God, I wish they would have been plant-based. But these look really, really good. They got the dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and the white chocolate. And if you like vanilla wafers, I like these. They also have those up there as well. Yeah, sweet tooth. But okay, I had to go back and yes, I did get that banana pudding. It was so good, y'all. But I will say, like, the icing that was on top was a little bit too sweet, so I didn't eat that. I just ate the banana pudding. But this brand, delicious. Like, the dessert was really really nice. I really liked the actual taste of the pudding that was in it. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I didn't get any footage of us entering the hotel room. Yeah, because we got here pretty late. And on top of that, I had actually had to move us to a different room. So I didn't get any footage of us entering the room. I know that would be like a great, segue into the next part of this entire video. This is actually, is this the next day? This is actually 2 days later, to be honest with y'all. We started to video out on the 18th, I believe. Today is the 20th, I believe. If I'm wrong, it'll be on the screen. But yeah, it is the morning time. I think it's a little bit after 7, or it's about to be 7, one or the other. Yeah, so when we got in here last night, we went ahead and did, like, the things you do to get ready for bed. And I decided to do one of my face masks, y'all, and it felt so good. I got it from Target. I'm gonna try to figure out the brand so I can show y'all. But I think I did the aloe vera one. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find the brand so I can show y'all. But I really like it. It's nice, and it wasn't even that expensive. If y'all know, if you follow me on TikTok, y'all know I love a good face mask, okay? I filmed video in my face mask, whatever. I love a good face mask. Yeah, I just wanted to come and talk to y'all real quick before I get this breakfast. Because I know I need to talk to y'all a little bit more in between each video versus just showing y'all what the fuck I'm doing. Like, I need to run my beak a little bit more, okay? So let me go get this food. So I actually want to show y'all the water machine. I really liked it. So they have colds, room temperature, and sparkling. All right, so we went downstairs for breakfast. Y'all had to know I was going to make us some waffles. We are frequent Waffle House eaters, okay? I'm from Atlanta. Like, come on now. I love Waffle House. But I made us some waffles. Yep. Yes, really. So I was able to find me something to eat. Y'all know we don't eat meat, so I had the waffle with some grits, and I could have also got oatmeal as well, or even the cereal. I actually need to check next time to see if they have like non-dairy milk. But there was some patrons like, you know, had some complaints about like the quantity that was sitting out. But for me, I was able to find something for me. Y'all know I don't eat meat. I didn't get the eggs because they had cheese in them. But what y'all see me doing in this video is making my own tea bag. Yes, I am. I took the plastic off of the cup that's on the cup that's sitting on like the coffee maker in the room, and I made me a tea bag. And I went downstairs to like the little mini bar that's by the door and got me some hot water at the little mini coffee bar. And then I went back upstairs and twisted like that plastic bag up, and you're going to see me dip it into the coffee, dip it into the hot water. Once like the herbs get soaked and drenched in and warm up, that's when I went ahead and put some more holes in it to help with the tea straining out while it's steeping. But it was good. I wasn't gonna let the fact that I did not have a strainer hold me back from getting my tea, because I know y'all hear my voice. I'm not sick. It's like my voice is just a little bit hoarse. Okay, y'all, so it is 11:20, okay? I went ahead and ate my breakfast. I had me some tea, and I went ahead and did a little yoga to stretch. Let me go ahead and tell you why I had to do a little yoga to stretch, okay? So I want y'all to actually look at the TikTok video that's in the description bar. It's relative to what I'm about to talk about, okay? It's relative to what I'm about to talk about. So look at the video, okay? No, this isn't a request. This is mandatory, okay? Just look at the video so that I don't have to repeat nothing. So that way, you know, we connected. We know what's going on. We caught up. The title of the video is basically about being blackballed out of the healthcare industry, okay? Did you go watch it? Okay, so basically yesterday I had to move, and I had to pack stuff and move it, okay? So let me tell y'all about that whole ordeal.